Thank you to my Filipino homes family sa lahat ng effort, for all your hard work in making this prize or being a top broker for 2022. Kayo talaga yung reason kung bakit laging on top ang Filipino homes. So keep up the good work, always work with pride. Sabi nga, lagi lang be humble always and always do the right thing. Okay, thank you so much. Of course, kanina ko pa gustong sabihin ito na na-amaze ako dito sa event na ito ng Imperial Homes Corporation na talagang pinagpaturan. Talaga, thank you so much for this effort, for making this event a brightest one for all of us. So talagang salamat kasi hindi po madali ang gumawa ng ganitong event. It's all coming from your heart. Kaya naging very successful ang event na to. Ako po ay isang organizer din ako sa mga ganitong event. Hindi po ito madali. And salute to all Imperial Homes Corporation employees for making this event a grandiose one for all of us tonight. So thank you so much, and again, congratulations to our Filipino Homes top agent. Hooray for 2022. Let's make 2023 a better world year again.
Thank you, boss, for your